Hi friends, good evening to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Belagali's class. My friends, we are doing with the chapter circles. Yes, my friends, related with the circles, I have done some formulae and examples on that. After that, I have started with areas related to the circles. Already I have done yesterday this area. Area of the circle is pi r square and perimeter or circumference of the circle is what? 2 pi r. And based on this, I have done some examples. They are exercise 4.1 and exercise 4.2. I have done some examples, my friends. Yes, that is completed. After that, I have started with this area related to the circle, and in the previous class, I have done the examples based on exercise 5.1. Now I have started with what? Examples in exercise 5.2, my friends. 5.2. Yes. This is the fourth example in exercise 5.2. Before that, I want to explain certain basic things, my friends. This is perimeter, this is area. My friends, this is known as what? Sector of the circle. AOB, this shaded area, is sector of the circle. Then area of the sector OAB, area of the sector OAPB, the shaded area. This is the formula, theta upon 360 degrees into pi r square. Then this arc, my friends, APB, this arc is known as length of arc. This is arc of the circle. What is that? APB is arc of the circle. And formula for to find what? Length of the arc of the circle. Length of arc of the circle. APB. This is the formula. Theta upon 360 degrees into 2 pi r. Length comes 2 pi r. Area of the sector comes pi r square. This theta upon 360 degrees is common to both, my friends. Length, circumference. Length of the boundary line. That boundary line is what? Perimeter of the circle. That perimeter in another name is known as circumference of the circle. Length is 2 pi r. This is area, pi r square. Then one more is there, my friends. This. If you join this AB, you have two separate things. This is OAMB is a sector. But if you delete that open part, only the shaded part, it is what? It is a area bounded by the chord with arc. This area is known as what? It is area of the segment of the circle. This is known as, shaded area is known as segment of the circle. Then if it is a small area, it is known as what? Minor segment. The remaining, this open space, it is known as major segment. Like this here also, my friends. This is minor sector. This is major sector. Then this ABM, this shaded area is minor segment, and this is the formula for what? Area of the minor segment ABM, the shaded area. What is the shaded area? Area of the sector OAMB minus area of the triangle OAB. The sector minus triangle is what? The shaded area. That shaded area is known as segment. It is the formula for what? Area of the segment ABM. It is area of the sector OAMB minus area of the triangle OAB. You know the formula for this. What is area of the sector? This is the formula to find the area of the sector. Now to find the area of the triangle, this is the formula, my friends. What about this? OA, OB, they are the radius of the circle, radii. Theta is the angle made by these two radii or angle bounded by the radii, or it is also we can say it is an angle subtended by this arc or angle subtended by what, this segment, anything you can say. Yes, in that case, what is the formula to find area of the triangle AOB or OAB is half the radii. This it is OA into OB into sine of the angle theta. What is the theta? Bounded by between angle between the two lines. Instead of radius, if it is in general, it is a side A, it is a side B, then it becomes what? Half AB into sine theta. Theta is the angle between these two sides, so in this case it is angle between two radii. This is the formula to find area of the triangle AOAB. OAB or AOB. Yes, my friends, this is the list of the formulae connected. By making use of all this, I want to do few more examples on this area of a sector, area of a segment, and length of arc. By these three, I am going to do few more examples from the exercise 5.2. Yes, this is the fourth example in exercise 5.2. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding first minor segment, second major segment. Use pi equal to 3.14. Pi equal to 3.14, otherwise 22 by 7. But instruction is given, use pi equal to this. This is given along with the example itself. Yes, my friends, what are the given things? Given radius is 10 centimeter. In this case, what is radius? OA, OB, both are equal to 10. Then theta, this is theta. That which, my friend, this chord AB subtends and the theta at the center. Theta, a right angle 90 degrees. Yes, now area of the minor segment, this shaded area is what? Area of the sector OAMB minus area of the triangle, it is OAB triangle. You calculate one by one. First, area of the sector OAMB. What is the formula? Area means this is common. Theta upon 360 degrees into area comes pi r square. Length comes 2 pi r. What is theta here? 90 degrees upon 360. Pi directly, my friends, the friend is instructed to use what? 3.14. 3.14, use it. When the instructions are given means we must use it. We must use it. Otherwise, okay. Alright. 22 by 7 into 10 square. Otherwise, use 3.14. This is 90 into 1. 90 into 4 is 360. This is 1 by 4. 22 by 7 into 10 square is 100. 4 cancels with 100. 50. This 2 cancels with 22. 11. What is this? 11 into 5 is 550 upon 7. If you simplify this division, you get 78.5 square centimeter. What is this? It is area of the sector, my friends. This is now find out. It's will be 78.5 square centimeters. Next, we have to go for what? Area of the triangle OAB. Area of the triangle OAB. This is the formula. This is half OA OB into sine theta. Half. What is OA OB? OA OB, they are the radii. 10 into 10. Sine 90. Theta is 90 degrees. My friend, cancellation 50. 5 into 10 is 50. Sine 90 is 1. 50 into 1 is 50. What is this, my friend? Area of the triangle is 50 square centimeters. Substituting these values in 1, this is 1. Therefore, area of the minor sector ABM equal to this. It is 78.5 minus this 50. 78.5 minus 50 is what? 28.5. Therefore, area of the segment is 28.5 square centimeter. Square centimeter. This is the minor segment, my friends. This is the minor segment. Then the friend wanted the major segment also. What is that major segment? It is an open area. Open area. Then this open area is what? Area of the entire circle. Area of the entire circle minus this shaded area. That is area of the minor segment. Major is entire circle minus minor. Major segment OANB minus area of the minimum means the minor segment. Minor segment. Circle pi r square. This my friend, that minor sector is known. Its value is minor segment we know. This is 28.5. 28.5. Yes. 22 by 7 r square 100. This is I use here, my friend. That's why easy. That's why the friend is mentioned here. 3.14 into 100. It is 314 itself. What? This is down is 100 cancels with 100. It is 314 minus 28. 314 minus 28 gives 285.5 square centimeter. It is for the major segment. This is for the minor segment. This is your example, my friends. 1 minute time. 1 minute time. Yes, my friends. Next is example 5. Next is example 5 of exercise 5.2. 5.2. The question is, yes, right. In a circle of radius, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle 60 degrees at the center. At the center. Find, my friend, first one, the length of arc. The length of arc. This is first. Second, the area of the sector. Area of the sector formed by the arc. Formed by the arc. Third, area of the segment. Area of the segment segment formed by the corresponding chord. The corresponding chord. Yes, my friend. This is the figure. This is the circle. Circle of radius 21 centimeter. Center of the circle. This is the chord of the circle. This is OA. OB. This is center of the circle. This is AB. If we take this M, my friends, this M is AMB is an arc first. AMB is arc. This is the angle subtended by the arc. That angle is given as, my friends, it is 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Radius is 21 centimeter. This is your segment of the circle. Shaded. This is chord AB. Chord AB. Then one by one you have to find. First, you wanted to find length of the arc AMB first. Then area of the sector OAMB. Then this segment. One by one you have to do, my friends. Yes, this is the answer. First is given radius. Radius is 21 centimeter. This gives the values, my friends. OA, OB. OA equal to OB equal to 21. Then angle is given. Theta is given. Theta is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Yes. Then you have to go for one by one. First, what is first? Arc length. Arc length. Yes. Yes. Then first one, length of arc. One, length of arc. What is arc here? Arc is AMB. Arc AMB equal to, tell what is the formula. Length of arc is this. It is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r equal to, what is theta? Theta is given as 60 degrees, my friend. 60 upon 360 into 2 into, here they are not mentioned here in this case. Either you have to use 3.14 or 22 by 7, anything you can use. What is radius, my friend? Radius is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. Yes. This cancels 60 into 1, 60 into 6. This is 1 by 6. 2 into 2. Into 22. This cancels, my friend. 7 cancels with 3. This is 3. This is 1 by 6. I have written this 2 as it is. 22. I have cancelled 7 with 21. You are left with 3. What is this? 3 into 2, 6 cancels, my friends. You have 22 now. Therefore, length of arc. Length of arc what is it? AMB is 22 centimeters length. This is first one. This is first one. Tell my friend, what is second one? Area of the sector. What is that sector? OAMB. Next, second. Area of the sector OAMB. What is the formula? Area of the sector. Theta upon 360 degrees into area means pi r square, my friends. What is theta? 60 degrees upon 360. Pi is 22 upon 7. R square, it is 21 into 21. What is your R? Radius is 21. R square means 21 whole square. I have written 21 into 21. My friend, this equal to, if you simplify, this is 6. 1 by 6. If you cancel this with this, what is this? 3. What is it? 1 by 6 into 22 into 21 into 3, my friend. This 3 cancels with 6, 2. This 2 cancels with 21, which is 11 into 21. 21 into 1 is 21, 2. 21 into 21 plus 2 is 231. Therefore, area of the sector, this is square centimeter. Therefore, area of the sector what is it? OAMB is it is 231 square centimeters. My friend, this is second one. I hope understood. What is third? Area of the segment of the circle. This shaded area, segment of the circle. Yes, my friend, that is third. What is this shaded area? Area of the sector minus area of the triangle OAB. First we have to find area of the triangle OAB, then we go for segment. That is third. Yes, friends. Third one. First to find area of the triangle, then sector minus area of the triangle. This is third one. Area of the triangle. It is, my friend, AOB or OAB, anything you can write. OAB or AOB. This is half. This is OA into OB. OA into OB into sine of the angle between OA and OB. This is half. Radius is 21. 21 into 21 into angle is 60 degrees. Sine 60. Theta is 60. So this is what? 1 by 2 into 21 into 21 is 441. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, which is 441 into root 3 down is 4. If you simplify this, you get this as this is 190.95, which is approximately equal to, we can write it as what is 190.95 means it is 191 square centimeter. What is this? It is area of the triangle. Yes, my friends. Now Area of the segment ABM. Area of the segment ABM, shaded area. ABM, that is shaded area. Equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. AOB. This is sector. OA sector is what? OAMB. You know the values. What is the area of the sector? Is 213 minus. This is 195. Area of the triangle is 191. 191. This, my friend. This is 191. If you simplify this, this is 2. 1 means what? 1 means what? Tell. 3 minus 1 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1. Yes or no? No. This is 213 minus 191. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 11 minus 9 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. This is 22 cm square. Square centimeter. This is the answer. If we add it, 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. Yes, my friend, it is correct. 22 square centimeters. 22 square centimeters. Yes, I have made a mistake. It is not 213, it is 231. 231. 190 means it is 40. It is 40 square centimeters. 40 square centimeters. Yes, my friend. Area of the sector. Area of the sector is this. How much it is? 231. That is 22 into 21 there, my friends. It is 22 into 21 is 21 into 2 is 2. This we get it as what? 42. 21 into 2 is this is, I think, 11. 21 into 1 is 21. You get 2 here. 21 into 1 is 21 plus 2 is 23. This is 231 square centimeters, my friends. 231 square centimeters. Here you get it the last step, 11 into 21. See, if there also, if I have written 213 is wrong, it is what? 21 into 11 is 210 plus 11 is 231. This is 231, my friends. Therefore, area of the segment is sector minus triangle. 231 minus 191 is 40 square centimeters. 40 square centimeters. Please, if it is correct, 231 square centimeters. 231 square centimeters. Yes, my friends. All these. First is the length of the arc. Second is the area of the sector. Third is area of the segment. All the three formulae. This is area of the sector, length of the arc, area of the segment. All the three we have done. This example number 5, my friends. Yes. Next one. Next one. This is example number 6. Yes. Example number 6 of exercise 6 of exercise 5.2, my friends. The statement of the example is a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle 60 degrees at the center. Find the areas of areas of minor and major segments. Minor and major segments of the circle. Use, instructions are given, my friends. Use pi equal to 3.14 and root 3 equal to, root 3 is 1.73. Yes, my friend, same figure. Yes, this is the chord AB. This is center of the circle O. A, B, radius is given as 15. Angle at the center is 60 degrees. This is, my friend, my segment. This is M. With N is major segment. Same, we have already done. This major segment is not done, minor segment is not done. Yes, my friends. Yes. Figure given. Radius is what? 15. This itself implies OA equal to OB equal to 15. Yes, my friends. And theta is given, which is 60 degrees. Theta is 60. And they are there, pi and rho. First, you wanted to find this segment. First, you have to find two areas: area of the sector, area of the triangle. First, area of the sector. Area of the sector. What is it? OAMB equal to formula theta upon 360 degrees into pi r square. You know the values. What is theta? 60 upon 360 into pi. Pi is given, my friend, 3.14. And r is what? 15 square, it is 15 into 15. 60 into 1, 60 into 6, my friend. Yes, any cancellation here? This is what? This is what? Equal to 6 we can cancel. This is 2, this is 5, this is 5. Therefore, this equal to what is numerator? 314 into 15 into 5 is 75. 314 into 15 into 5 is 75. Denominator is 2, my friend. Denominator is 2, which is this is 75 into 2 into 314 upon 100. What is this? This 2 cancels with 1, 5, 10, 7, which is equal to, this is 75 into 157 upon 100 equal to. If you simplify this, this area of the sector comes 117.75. Area means what? Square centimeter. This is area of the sector OAB. This is area of the sector OAB. Sector OA EMB, my friends. Yes, it is 1117 minus 75 square centimeter. Square centimeter, my friends. This is 1. Next is area of the triangle, my friends. When you wanted what? Find the areas of the minor and major segment. Segment means shaded area. So I have to find this area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, this. Area of the triangle OAB. Area of the triangle OAB. Area of the triangle OAB. This is by the formula down. OA into OB into sine theta. OA and OB, they are equal to 15. This is 15 into 15. 15 into 15 into sine 60 degrees. This is 1 by 2 into 225 into root 3 by 2. You know the value of what? It is 225. Down is 2 into 2 is 4 into. What is root 3, my friend? 1.73. No cancellation. If you simplify this, my friends, if you simplify this, you get this as 97.31. 97.31. Area means what? Square centimeter. First you have to go for what? Area of the minor segment AMB. Therefore, area of minor segment AMB. This down, shaded. AMB. This is area of the sector. Area of the sector OAMB. Minus area of the triangle. Area of the triangle OAB. Yes, my friends, equal to. This area of this sector is 117.75. 117.75 minus triangle is 97.31. If you simplify this, tell my friend, 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Point. 7 minus 7 is 0. 11 minus 9 is 2. This is 20.44. 20.44 square segment. What is this? It is area of the minor segment. Therefore, area of the minor segment, area of minor segment is 20.44 square centimeter. This is minor, which you wanted, my friend. And not only minor, even you wanted what? Major segment also. What is major segment? Area of the circle minus minor segment. Area of the circle minus minor segment. Yes, my friend, it is area of the major segment. Area of the major segment. Major segment. What is it, my friend? Major segment is OANB. This is OANB equal to. This is area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Area of the minor segment. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. Minor segment is this, my friends. 20.44. Pi use 3.14 square radius 15 square. This is 15 square. 15 square is 225 minus 20.44. You have to simplify this, my friends. R square. 15 square is 225. 15 square is 225. It is what? 225 into 3, it comes to be around 706. 706.5 minus 20.44. If you simplify, 50 minus 44, 06. 50 minus 44 is 06. 706 minus 20 is 686 centimeter square centimeter. This is area of the major segment. This is area of the major segment. This, my friends, I hope you are perfect in finding what? Area of the sector, length of an arc, and area of the segment, whether it is a minor or major. I have done all varieties in this case, my friends. Good. Then I do some 1 or 2 simple examples. Simple examples. Yes, my friends. First, a simple example. It is there in your exercise only. Once again, this is 5.2. Example number 14 is 14, my friend. It is a good question. It is a 1 mark question, my friends. 1 mark. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Correct answer. Area of a sector. Area of a sector. Sector of an angle P. Of an angle P degrees. P degrees of a circle with radius R is dash. First option A. First option A. It is P upon 180 degrees into 2 pi r. B. Second. This is P upon 180. 180 into pi r square. This is in terms of degree. C, my friend. This is P upon 360 degrees into 2 pi r. D, fourth option. It is P upon 720 into 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. This is the option given. What is your area of the sector, my friends? As it is, just to go for it. This is area of the sector. Area of sector. What is this, my friend? It is theta. Angle theta is P upon 360 into pi r square. Then multiply both sides by 2. Multiply both sides by 2, which is same as P upon 360 into pi r square. Multiply and divide by 2. What is this? It is P upon 360 into 2 is 720 into 2 pi r square. Otherwise, my friend, you have to cancel this 2 with this. It gives 360. Then what is the correct answer is D. Correct answer is, my friends, D. D. One more, the small example. Yes, friend. Another small example is this. It is also comes under 1 mark question. 1 mark question. The area of a sector. The area of a sector. Sector of a circle. Of a circle of radius 5 centimeter is 5 pi square centimeters. Area is this. Find the angle contained. Find the angle contained in the sector, contained by the sector. By the sector. Tell my friends what is given. Given radius is given. R is 5 centimeter. And area is given. What is area? It is 5 pi square centimeter. Square centimeter. Therefore, what is the formula? Area of a sector equal to. It is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Area is 5 pi equal to theta we have to find. It is 360 into pi into r square. R is 5. It is 5 square, my friend. It is 5 square. Pi is cancelled. And 1 5 is cancelled. 1 5 is cancelled. This side you are left 1 equal to, what is this? It is theta upon 360 into 5. This 5. You can cancel it. This is what? 7. 10 means 22. So you get it theta upon 72. Therefore, what is theta then? 72 into 1 or 1 into 72 is 72 degrees, my friends. 72 degrees. It is also one good example. Good example. Sometimes they will change this. Instead of this, they may give only pi. If they give pi, you get a different angle. You can do it by taking what? Instead of 5 pi, it is pi square centimeter. Do at 4. Do at 4. One more small example. Small. It is also 1 mark question. One mark question. In a circle of radius, 1 mark question. It is not example number 14. In a circle of radius, 35 centimeter, an arc subtends, an angle of 72 degrees at the center. Find the length of arc. Find the length of arc. Yes, my friend. What is given? Radius is given 35 centimeter and angle is given 72 degrees. What is the formula for length of arc? Formula for length of arc of a circle. See there, length of arc. Theta upon 360 degrees into length means, my friends, 2 pi. Simplify. Theta is 72 degrees upon 360 degrees. Pi, 2 into pi, 22 by 7. What is radius, my friend? 35. Radius is 35. 72. 36 into 2. 36 into 1, 10. What is this, my friend? 7 into 1. This is 7 into 5. Yes. What is this? 2 into 1. Otherwise, you can write one more. It is 2 by 10 into 2 into 2 is 44 into 5 into 5. This 5 cancels with 2. This 2 cancels with 2, which is 44. Therefore, length of arc is 4 centimeters. Length means centimeters. These are simple examples. If you wanted, find the area of a sector, DIY. Same statement, area of sector. They may ask this also. 1 mark question. 1 mark question. You have to make use what? Area formula. It is length. Area formula is what? Pi r square. Simplify. If you find this area, you get it equal to, answer is 770 square centimeters. 770 square centimeters, my friends. If you find this area, it is also simple, just they may ask a 1 mark question, my friends. All these are the examples related with areas related to the sector. I have done mainly these 2 videos, class of what? Areas of the sector, my friends. This formula, areas of the sector. This formula, mainly I have done all these examples with area of a sector, length of arc, and area of the segment. These 3 formulae, and in the previous video as well as today what I have done, all these examples connected with what? Exercise 5.2, and such examples, just 1 mark questions, my friends. 1 mark questions. These are good examples, my friends. With this, we have done fairly good examples under what? Areas related to the circles, my friends. My friends. Yes, prepare them nicely. Thank you very much, my friends. Thank you very much. Bye, goodbye, namaste, namaskara, my friends, namaste. Enjoy, good day, good day.